Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the save files so you can copy them safely. Open your Steam or File Explorer and navigate to the game's directory. On Windows, that's often %appdata%\roaming or Steam /userdata/your ID/. Once you find files like persistent game data or prof0, make sure the game is closed. Do not rely on cloud sync yet. This prevents partial writes. Next, create a dedicated backup folder on your desktop or external drive to store the first copy. Once you have a backup folder, copy the save files into it and immediately create a versioned file name such as save 2026-01-23. You do this so you can roll back to specific points. Versioning prevents accidental overwrites. Make multiple copies before big runs daily and after substantial progress. Compressing to zip saves space and preserves file integrity, and checking file sizes helps detect truncated files. Finally, keep one copy offsite or on a cloud drive so you're safe from harm. To restore, first close the game, then copy your desired backup file into the original save location, replacing the current file. You'll know it worked when your progress appears after launching. If the game reports corruption or refuses the file, try an earlier version and compare timestamps and file sizes to spot truncation. If problems persist, clear temporary cloud sync and re-upload a stable backup. Once done, automate regular backups or enable an external sync so you don't repeat manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.